Hey guys, it's Justine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am hopping on the caning trend and I'm going to show you how to make your kind of run-of-the-mill hardware a little bit more special, because for me, it's all about the details. So let's get started. I started with your kind of run-of-the-mill hardware. It just came with my apartment and I wanted to give it a little bit of an extra detail with some rattan chair caning. This project is really simple and really quick, and I love that you can kind of make a big impact with a simple project. It's one of my favorite ways to DIY. So the first step of this project is to prep the rattan. And the way you're going to do that is to grab a bowl of lukewarm water and put however long of a piece you might need in that water, and you're going to go ahead and let it soak for 20 minutes. When the cane came out of the package, it comes like all bunched up and really stiff, so I just grabbed a spoon to kind of weight it down and make sure it stayed under the water for the 20 minutes. Once the rattan is ready, it's pretty much good to start, so you can pull it out of the bowl and then grab whatever it is you want to wrap. I wanted a detail piece on the front of mine, so I cut a short piece to kind of run along the top, but this part's totally optional. You could just wrap it as is, and I think it would look just as good. I started by using masking tape to hold that detail piece in place as I work around it. And now it's time for the longer piece that's going to wrap all the way down the handle. I just used a bit of super glue to get it started and wrapped the long piece around itself to stick to the back. If some of the super glue shows, it's not a big deal. No one will ever see it because it's the back of the piece of hardware. Once I had a couple rounds of wrap done, I just trimmed that little tail piece off. Once you have it started, you can pretty much go until the end of the hardware. If you do have that detail piece, I started going under, over to kind of get a basket weave pattern, but it's really up to you. The nice thing about this project is you can do however many you want. So if you want to do just one nightstand, that's great. Or if you're feeling really ambitious, you could do your whole kitchen. When I got to the end, I left the last two loops kind of loose, and then I pulled that tail end right through it, making sure to wrap around the end of the hardware. And then I just pulled it tight. I did use a little bit of super glue right on the back of the caning just to make sure it wouldn't come unraveled. And that's it. Once I wrapped the whole thing, I just went in with a blade and trimmed all the loose ends. There were a couple spots where that middle detail piece wiggled a little, so I just went in with the back end of a paintbrush and made sure it was straight. And that's it. Really easy and so cute. If you guys are interested in doing this project, I have everything linked below in the description. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you tried this at home, be sure to tag me on Instagram. It's @justine.silva. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.